Guys, okay, it's 8 in the morning right here, and I'm pretty sleepy myself. So today I'm going to guide you step by step on using Google Spreadsheet. So Google Spreadsheet is basically the same as Microsoft Excel, but it's completely different. Why? Because first, Google Spreadsheet is free. Okay, unlike Microsoft Excel, you have to pay or subscribe to it. So I'm guessing that using Google Spreadsheet will save up your money more. Okay, there are two things that you must have to access to Google Sheet. First, you need to have a Google account. Okay, without it, I'm not certain if you can access it or not, but you can try it yourself. Okay, second, you must have a good internet connection. Okay, so we're going to do the video right there. I'm going to take a nap a little bit with my cat right here. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, I'm back from my nap and it feels amazing. Okay, so let's get started with our tutorial today, shall we? Okay, as you can see, I'm already connected to the internet and I already have my Google account signed in. So what you need to do is, you see these 9 dots on the top right corner of my screen. So you just click on it and certain icons will appear, such as YouTube, Play Store, Gmail. So you just scroll down until you see this green icon right here that says Sheets, and you just click on it and wait for it to load up. There you go. So let's take a simple look first. Now Google Spreadsheet provided us with so many templates that we can use to ease our business and stuff, such as invoice, to-do list. You can make calendar, schedule, this thing, pros and cons, invoices, expense report, purchase order, and so on. This will definitely be more beneficial to company workers who's trying to create receipt or stuff like that. But unfortunately, today we are not going to take a look at that. So what you need to do is see this blank sheet over here. Just click on it and wait for it. And there you go. So now this is what a blank spreadsheet looks like. It's the same as Excel, but the features, I think it's a little bit different from Microsoft Excel. So first thing you need to know about Google Spreadsheet is what is row and what is column. You see, row is this horizontal bars right here. This is called row. Okay, if you click the number, it will highlight the entire row. So this is row 2, this is row 3, and this is row 4. Okay, meanwhile column is this vertical line right here, vertical bars. So if you click right here, the entire column B will be highlighted. That's why we have column A, column C, column D. Okay, next, these boxes are known as bars. Okay, so each of these bars has its own specific coordinate. As you can see, I click right here. The coordinate is C2. If I click right here, it's D6. If I click right here, it's G2. Okay, now if you've learned the basic Google Spreadsheet, which is row and column, and its coordinate too. So what we're going to see next is its features. As you can see, Google Spreadsheet provided us with so many features. For example, you can zoom in and zoom out. Let's say you pick 150%. There, it looks bigger. 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 Okay. So if you pick 50%, it looks a lot more smaller. And it's definitely hard to read. So example here. There. It's so small that I can't even see it. So my ideal size would be 100%. Okay. So you can actually, there's format currency, decimal places, and you can change its font style also. So let's say there. So you have so many styles here, but my personal favorite, Comic Sans MS. Yeah, the writings looks cool and cute too at the same time. Okay, next you can adjust the font size. As you can see, there's so many. You can even put the numbers yourself. Let's say you want to pick some number that are not in this scale. Let's say you pick 70. I'm not sure if, yeah, totally, it's totally doable. Let's, and you can bold the letters. You can italic, and you can strike through it. You can also change the text color, the background color, which is I'm going to show you later on in this video. And you can create borders too, horizontal line, vertical line. Uh, okay, so let's get started, shall we? Let's get on to the real deal here. Okay, Google Spreadsheets are mainly used to transfer data into tables, and that is what I'm going to teach you in this video today. Okay, let's say that you're a teacher trying to create a table of the results of your final math test that consists your student's name and marks. So what you need to do is you need to create a table. Okay, first you double click here, and a table must have a title, isn't it? So what you can do is you can actually just put the title anything, say final math test marks marks class, let's say class sunflower flower. Okay, so okay, this is where you encounter problems. So when you click the D2 bar, there you go. You can see the C2 bars words behind it. It's covered. The same as E2, you can actually see behind it. So to encounter this problem, there are two ways actually. First, you can drag this whole entire C column to here. Yep. And another one is you can just drag the entire C, C2, D2, and E2 bar and go right here, merge cells. You click on it, search the merge type, and merge horizontally. And there you go. Now the entire C, D, and E2 column are merged. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry for the problem right there. So next, you can key in name. Just double click it and names. And this will be marked in bracket percent. Now you can merge these two cells, right? So let's say merge. Okay, I'm sorry. If you can just merge it, merge horizontally. There you go. So let's say you want to fill out the names. Let's say aha, hee hee, sorry, ahi, ahu, aho, haha, hee hee, hoo hoo, and ho ho. Now we have 8 individuals in this table. So you can simply, let's say the marks will be, let's say for aha, let's say 65, 45, 67, 87, 88, 46, 67, 86. Okay. Now you want to make this table. It's kind of messy, right? So you want to make it look cooler and cuter in some sort of way. So what you can do is you can drag the entire table and go right here. Okay, no, horizontal line and pick center. There you go. It looks better, definitely better. Okay, another trick is you want to create a simple table, simple but efficient. So you go drag all this down and you go to borders. Now there are many types of border you can use, such as left border. As you can see, is only cover the left side of the table, and there are inner borders. You can see, show you right here. There you go. The inner part of the table is all bolded up. So another trick is this bottom. Yeah, there's so many. To make the border disappear, you can simply just drag all of these down and go right here and you select here, clear borders. Okay, you can actually change the border color too. If you want to, you can pick out your favorite color. This is mine is green. Let's see. And you can pick the border thickness too. This is thin, medium, large. And there's dots. And this is much smaller dots. And this is double line. So let's pick double line right here. And just put in all borders. And there you go. Wow. Looks cool actually. It's like LED type of table. It's pretty amazing. Okay. So you can actually change the uh, background color too. Like I said, just drag down and go right here, fill color. Now you have a variety of colors you can choose. You might not want to pick the dark colors as the font color is black, so it will be harder to see. So let's just pick yellow right here. There you go. That's cute too. Okay, so next part. Now, if you're doing this with me, I would like to say congratulations for building your first ever table in your whole life. Bum, 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 bum. Congratulations. Okay, now next, what I'm going to teach you is to calculate the average value, the minimum and maximum value of these marks. Okay, let's say you double click right here and you type in value, and here you pick average. This is let's say minimum. Oh, I'm sorry, that's a little bit typo right there. Minimum. And this is maximum. And this is will be total. Okay. So you can border it like that. That. Okay. So the next step is can you see these functions right here at the end of the right? So you just click it, and there will be this here sum, average, count, max, and min. So we want to calculate the average value here. So just pick average, and there you go. So just click this bar right here and drag it all down. Okay, as you can see, it's D4 to E11. So it's D4 to D11, as you can see here. So just click enter. Okay, now we know that the average value of marks in final math test of class sunflower is 70.125%. Okay, so the minimum value, let's check it out. Click here, min, and again drag all of these down and press enter. Okay, so we know that the minimum value of marks mark in class sunflower final math test is 45. Okay, so the maximum value, click right here, pick out max. Again, drag all of these down and click enter. Oh, 98%. That's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so the total. So the total will be sum here and drag all of these down and you click enter. Okay, so we know that the total marks of class sunflower final math test is 561. Okay, so if you understand, if you're with me, if you're still with me, I hope you understand how to calculate the average value, the minimum value, maximum, and total value. Okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to decorate our tables. Okay, so let's say I want to pick this title here, the entire title, and we're going to increase the font size a little bit. As you can see, we used 10 just now, so let's use 14. Yep. Definitely bigger. So how do we encounter this problem again? So we just drag all of these and go to vertical line. Go to middle. And text wrapping, we say wrap. There you go. Now we can see all of the words definitely. So next, let's change the font style a bit, right? So just drag all of these, go to here. Like I said, I'm gonna pick my personal favorite, Comic Sans MS. There you go. Whoa, it looks good. It looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. So for names and marks, I'm going to bold it and maybe some italic a little bit. So we're gonna change the font style. Let's say Rawato. No, let's say Impact. There you go. Oh my god. This looks amazing. Oh god, I'm excited myself. I don't know why. I'm so very excited about this. So let's pick something unreal this time. Times New Roman. There you go. Okay, now as you can see, I've already decorated my tables, as you can see there. So next, I'm going to teach you to do something very cool. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make charts. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first you can highlight the entire table from your names and the marks and the total marks. Okay, so what you need to do is go here, insert chart. This process may take like just like that, about 5 seconds there. I see. So there you go. You have charts of the students in sunflower class. You get names and the marks too. Yeah, it's accurate. Okay, so you can change the chart type. As you can see here, we have lines, the area, the column, bar, pie, scatter, map, and so many more. So we're just going to do it simple for this time. So I'm just gonna pick the column, just like this. So yeah, this has nothing to do with this. So next we're going to customize it. Okay, go to chart style. Okay, so now you can change the background color of it. As you can see here, we can pick any color that you like. As for me, it would be easier if you pick light colors, like this, like yellow, like red, and so on, because it's harder for others to see the bars if you pick a dark color itself. So I'm just gonna pick this color font. Yeah, you can have Comic Sans. Here, my first personal favorite chart border color, as you can see, is this border here. You can pick any color that you like, and you can make it 3D 3D chart right here. So next, chart and axis. Okay, chart title. You can pick chart title here and add title. So you're just going to copy this one. You can see final math s marks class sunflower. Okay, here you go. You have the chart title right there. So you can pick the font style here. White, turn font size. You can pick any number that you like, and you can bold it. You can italic it, maybe. So the alignment is very important here. For the title, you need to take it to the center of the chart. Okay. I'm going to pick center here. Title, text color. You can pick any color that you like here. So let's pick white or just black. Simple. Okay, next series. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, you can edit the horizontal axis and vertical axis of this chart. So we're going to pick title. The horizontal axis is name. So sorry, names. Yes, names. Yeah. Okay. Oh, God, so hard. And you can pick whether to pick it right here, or the middle. I suggest you pick middle. It's easier to read, right? So we're going to pick vertical axis next. The title would be marks. Marks in bracket percent. So there you go. You have the title of the vertical axis here, and you can either pick it bold, italic maybe, and the text color. Okay, so let's move on. Series column 1, you can change the bars color itself. As you can see, column 1, yes, color, you can pick any color that you like. And as for me, I would pick a dark color for this one. So I'm gonna flow blue here. There you go. Change a little bit. Maybe dark green. Yep, definitely this axis affects this. Okay, you can change where to put the axis here. If you want to put the vertical axis over here, just click right axis. If you want to put it on the left side, just click left axis. Okay, so legend, there's nothing much here. I don't think we need this horizontal axis. Yep, just like the vertical axis the same. So grid line and text. And grid line step. Okay, so I guess that's it. I mean, you've learned all the basic about using Google Spreadsheet. You learn how to make tables, to calculate the values, and the charts. So if you guys are doing this with me, I personally say congratulations for making this whole thing possible. You can also change the size too. You can see you on the corner here, just like that. Okay, so you can pick any size that you want. Okay, now I'm going to show you the cool thing about using Google Spreadsheet. Okay, so you need to rename the title first. Let's say final S mark, just like that. And you click file right here, and you go to download. You can actually download it in Microsoft Excel form, also in PDF form. So it's very convenient, and also you don't have to pay. Like I said, Microsoft Excel, you have to pay to access it, right? So you don't have to. So you can pick a new spreadsheet. You can also insert images, charts, drawings, functions like I did just there. So I guess that's it. I hope you guys really enjoy my teachings. So let's get back to the camera.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do doing it. If you like this video, click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if there's something you need to ask, or if you accomplish doing the tables with me. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.